And good afternoon, welcome to another unboxing video from MoreBikes. And today in these two rather large boxes we have a floor standing bikertidy. Right, so I'm going to get cracking, give it a build and see what we've got. So first things first, what we'd like to see is nice sturdy boxes and some darn good packaging. Plenty of bubble wrap, sturdy box. What we have here apparently, according to the little books that came with it, is floor standing bikertidy from bikertidy.com, bikertidy.co.uk, perfect for 2 sets of kit. Here's the instructions, only 8 bits. We like only 8 bits. All in very readable English. Let's get cracking. Now, I know absolutely nothing about this, just been given it and told it is a bikertidy. First impressions, very well made. One thing we do like here is we have got a bit of made in Britain action here. And the website of bikertidy.com should be easy to find. Substantial bubble wrapping from the first box. And we have 2 little struts which are nicely labelled here. Struts for lower frame only. So, that's the first one. And we've got some nice hinging on here as well. So now, let's go to box 2. So box 2 is open. We seem to have a basket type thing. Underneath there's like little baskety things. That's the official description. There are some heavy duty looking pegs in there. We have a rack here. Quite like this, it looks like it will let the air through, flow through, etc. We also have, I presume that's an envelope with instructions with a nice thank you note on there. Confirmation of what's in the boxes. 3 substantial looking coat hangers, some more struts, and a box of fixtures. So, all in a nice, very nice black matte finish. So let's get this together, and there is how substantially packed it was. Awesome. So we've gone feet first, literally, because on each of the corners has been screwed in the feet. Next we put the supporting struts on the side of the bit that's hinged, obviously to stop it folding shut. And it's important to do this before you put the top piece on, because it'll be very top heavy and it could come and clouch you on the head. I think it's worth saying at this point that all 4 feet are adjustable, which is great if you've got uneven ground where you're going to put this, or of course if it appears to be a little bit top heavy because of the kit, you can adjust the front feet to make them longer so it's leaning back a wee bit to counteract that. Basically set it up whatever way you want it so it's going to be stable. Next stage was to slide the top frame into the hinge bottom frame, which we've done. It's very tall. I'm 6 foot tall and it's taller than me. But yeah, wouldn't want it any shorter really, would you? Got long trousers. There you go. Top shelf's gone on. Depending on which way the sun is going to be shining here. Looking like a top bit of kit, isn't it? Yeah, happy with that so far. Look at that. I've just realised that I've been asked to build this and film it. It's going somewhere else to be tested. I've been mugged off there, haven't I? Might actually buy one for myself though, because it is really, really nice. Anyway, let's get the rest of it put together. So next we have the shelf supports in place. One here, going up to one there. One here, going up to one there. Let's get those on. Okay, the shelf supports are now in place. We do a little walk around here. Your task, should you choose to accept it, is to build a bikertidy and get some atmospheric shots into the sun before the sun goes down. Da, 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 da. Good piece of kit, isn't it? Right, it's got a few bits to add and then we're done. Okay, we're done. We have built a bikertidy for 2 good bits of kit before the sun went down in the garden with minimal interruptions. We can see here that there's your trousers, there's your jackets. Got another little hanger here. These are all very substantially made with little nice finishing touches here. Strong baskets. We got gloves in here. Helmets on the top, I guess. Boots at the bottom. So there is the bikertidy in all its glory. We're just about to have the RAF ruin the video. But yeah, I have to say that was very easy to build, quite relaxing and enjoyable to build. It's extremely good quality. We're going to pass the buck across to Simon now, who's going to use it for his gear. I want one. bikertidy.com, bikertidy.co.uk.